Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about tea, and in particular, I'm going to discuss 3 different teas that have been shown to aid in gut health, as well as to provide relief for some digestive issues. I'm Katie Bailey. I'm a gut health dietitian at Oswald Digestive Clinic, where we help individuals improve and resolve their bothersome gut issues like gas, bloating, diarrhea, constipation, abdominal pain, and more. If you or someone you know is experiencing these symptoms and would like to work with our clinic, you could click the link below to schedule an appointment. We've linked our free guide, 5 ways to improve gut health as well, if you'd like to get started right away. Okay, let's jump into today's topic. Tea is rich in polyphenols, which have been shown to promote the growth of good bacteria in the gut. They're also rich in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation in the body. So in general, tea is a great option because they provide us with these polyphenols and antioxidants that are so important for a healthy gut. Also, there are specific compounds in different types of teas, some of which have been shown to be helpful in providing relief for those struggling with gastrointestinal discomfort. Okay, so now let's talk about which teas in particular have been shown to help with some of these symptoms. The first tea I want to talk about is chamomile tea. Now, chamomile has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. Antiseptic just meaning that it may inhibit the growth of infectious microorganisms. It is known as a digestive relaxant, and relaxation of the digestive tract can help with gas, bloating, indigestion, nausea and vomiting, and stomach cramps. Chamomile has also been shown to reduce smooth muscle spasms associated with inflammatory bowel diseases such as Crohn's and colitis. And the second tea I want to talk about is ginger tea. Now, ginger root has antioxidant compounds and it helps reduce pain and inflammation due to its anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. It has also been shown to help with gastroparesis by increasing gastric emptying. Ginger root also stimulates the muscles in our intestines. It stimulates bile secretion as well as blood flow, which all help to improve the motility of our GI tract. So the last tea I want to talk about is peppermint tea. Now, peppermint oil that's found in tea leaves have compounds that help combat pain, and they also help promote smooth muscle relaxation in the body. There's research showing that in individuals with IBS in particular, that it can help decrease that gas, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. Peppermint is antimicrobial, antiviral, antifungal, and recent studies have also shown that peppermint can inhibit the activity of bad bacteria. I did want to mention that peppermint isn't for everyone. We do not recommend that anybody that has GERD or reflux or a hiatal hernia take peppermint because it can make those symptoms worse. So in review, the 3 teas that have research showing some benefit for gut health are chamomile tea, ginger tea, and peppermint tea. Now these teas you could purchase in bulk as loose leaves, or you could buy them already in the tea bags for quicker use. Or if you wanted to, you could also buy fresh ginger root or peppermint leaves and actually steep them yourself. You can also play around with the strength of the tea that you make to see what really works for your individual symptoms in providing relief. The last thing I wanted to mention is to remember to read your labels when purchasing tea. Now, tea can be contaminated with pesticides as well as heavy metals found in the soil, or even some have artificial colorings and flavorings. So I would recommend that you really look at your labels and look for a certified organic or non-GMO tea with no additives. To wrap up our topic for today, I highly encourage you to try incorporating a cup of tea into your daily routine, whether it be for general gut health or for those of you struggling with GI issues. I highly encourage you to try one of the teas I mentioned today to see if you can get some immediate relief for your symptoms. Okay, that's it for today's topic. If you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more nutrition videos. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you're interested in working with our clinic, you can click the link below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.